In recent years, we've seen an increase in not only natural disasters such as heavy rains and large earthquakes, but also in the spread of infectious diseases, political and military conflicts, and material costs and shortages. In such an environment, many customers are striving to continue their business. In order to be best prepared for such unforeseen circumstances, it is essential to create a system that minimizes impact and speeds recovery time. That is, to formulate a business continuity plan, BCP. As a leading comprehensive manufacturer of automatic control equipment that supports automation, we strive to do everything in our power to promptly, no matter the circumstances, provide products that meet the needs of our customers worldwide. To achieve this goal, SMC has established strategic BCP initiatives in all departments of the company, globally. These initiatives include activities for manufacturing, technology, sales, management, finance, and information security. A key BCP focus is the production department. In order to achieve an estimated 90% production supply system recovery within 2 weeks after a disaster, our manufacturing department has established production bases in approximately 30 locations across the globe, and distribution warehouses in 5 countries for risk hedging. Of these production facilities, Japan has 6 mass production factories in order to ensure a stable and continuous supply of high-quality products worldwide. These production factories are located in Soka, Tsukuba, Shimotsuma, Kamaishi, Tono, and Yamatsuri. Further, Tono Supplier Park was newly established to ensure the stable procurement of components. SMC delivers product to markets worldwide from our main manufacturing bases located in 5 different countries: China, Singapore, India, Vietnam, and the Czech Republic. In order to quickly supply product to customers during times of stability, and to ensure a stable supply of product before restoration of production in times of emergency such as disaster, we have established distribution warehouses in Eastern Japan, Western Japan, the US, Belgium, China, and Korea. And in order to provide accurate and rapid response to the requests of our customers around the world, technical centers have been established in Japan, China, Europe, and the US. Our robust global engineering network, which facilitates information sharing between technical centers, has allowed us to put solid BCP initiatives in place in order to prepare for any possible emergency. 1,700 engineers provide consistent technical servicing anytime, anywhere in the world. Our sales network, spanning over 80 countries and regions, is supported by 8,300 global sales staff members. We hope to continue to exceed the expectations of our customers in all countries and regions with our entire 20,000 staff. Although information security threats remain, SMC has strengthened our security with a globally maintained, unified infrastructure. We have strengthened the monitoring system and are able to use automatic detection to prevent cyber attacks. Further, we are establishing a disaster recovery system through installation of data centers. We are building a disaster recovery system to detect and prevent the spread of viruses and cyber attacks. The system will be constantly monitored for malware and intruders. When a virus is detected, the system can recover in a short time span due to system redundancy. We are committed to ensuring that SMC is prepared for any emergency, and that our business activities will not stop in the event of such an emergency. This includes maintaining a system that can quickly resume operations in the event of an unavoidable circumstance. At the same time, we're also introducing the latest security technology in order to fully protect our customers' information. SMC continues to refine our BCP. As a leading comprehensive manufacturer of automatic control equipment that supports automation, we promise to do our utmost to fulfill our main responsibility, to provide our customers the products they require.